that was one of the things I had in my Danville Plantation case out in White Springs, which is near Lake City, is that the mining company, they owned the mineral rights, but my client owned the surface estate. And the mining company had an easement to go through the property. The problem is that they grossly overused those easement rights to the point that they actually locked my client out of the property, put up gates and fences and wouldn't let them into their acreage. And they wouldn't give them notice when they were moving the mine operation to another area, because you had some cases 20, 30, 40-year-old pine trees sitting out there. They didn't give them any notice and just mowed down all of their pine trees to get to the phosphate underneath, and a tremendous amount of money the guy's lost. If you just given him a little bit of notice, he could have got a logging company done it himself, because he just lost a lot of money in that pine. And so, and they said, oh, it's too dangerous, you can't be in here. And we said, no, I own the property. To the point that they called the Hamilton County Sheriff's Office on the manager of my client as he took out his big bolt cutters, cut the chain on the fence, and opened it up. And he was greeted by Hamilton County Sheriff's Office saying, don't you make a move. And he said, I own this property and I'm coming on my property. Sheriff said he pulled the gun and pointed it at him and said, one more move and you're going to shoot me, and then you're going to prison for the rest of your life, or you're going to the electric chair. I own this property. Go ahead, shoot. And just walk right on through. Said, I think this might be a civil dispute. So I sued these guys in federal court. And when we finished the case, we settled it on the courthouse steps, as they say, right before it was supposed to go to a month-long jury trial. That's a trespass case of not dealing with, a house or something. That's just commercial trespass.